These are the sounds that move you, the sounds that shaped you. These are the sounds of your hometown. Imagine owning North Bay's greatest sounds in a once-in-a-lifetime collection. Shadfly Music presents Sounds of North Bay, a limited edition anthology made just for you. Digitally mastered for studio-perfect sound, each collector's edition disc contains dozens of sounds taken right from North Bay, Ontario. Each and every track will remind you why you continue to live in the gateway to the north. Listen to incredible North Bay sounds like Get Sounds of North Bay on 4 compact discs for the low price of $89.99. You could spend hours of time and hundreds of dollars trying to find all these sounds. But call now and you can own Sounds of North Bay for just $89.99. But that's not all. We'll also send you an exclusive deluxe collector's box made entirely out of recycled city council agendas. Wow! But wait, use your credit card and we'll take $10 off. That's right, you'll get 4 CDs for $79.99. You can own the most beautiful sound collection ever. But wait, that's not all. Call with your credit card and get an incredible bonus album, The Songs of North Bay. This amazing extra special disc contains 36 unbelievable tracks written about North Bay and performed by talented local artists. Order now so you can tune in and jam out to such city classics as
Farmers Market Showdown! Pitchfork, fruit fork, gotta get a handle. Farmers Market Showdown! Ain't no coming here just about
No, sir.
Farmers Market Showdown! Do you think this prices are fair? Yes, I do. I made that human hair.
Yeah!
I heard you had a nice little BC clamped on my fast pedaling psycho riding 2 giant silhouette. You ain't too far, they say you are living up on second. I'll be first, then third, then off fish up for a check-in. Hook your wheels and spin them, reel them in and send them. The boss is scrambled.
Still not convinced? Well, take it from these local artists and proud collection owners.
It's deposited? Okay, great. Hi, I'm Holly Cunningham, and this is the single greatest artistic accomplishment in all of North Bay's history. In fact, what's that? It bounced? I swear to God, you slimy
Hi, I'm California. What do we think of when we think of North Bay? Heartache? Rainbows? The touch of a dear, dear friend? I honestly don't know. But what I do know is that this compilation is the only thing that is helping me keep it together right now. I would honestly marry this compilation if it was physically possible and not against the Canadian laws. That's what I know. Sometimes when I'm alone at night, I open up each individual disc, stare into that beautiful, crisp CD, and I give it a tender kiss. Please help me.
Wow! Sounds of North Bay can be yours for just 4 easy payments of $19.99. Sounds of North Bay is not sold in stores. It is only available through this exclusive online offer. Tour! Have your credit card ready and call the number on your screen or log on to thenorthbaybay.ca. Sounds of North Bay is not sold in stores. It is only available through this exclusive online offer. Rush delivery available. Order now.